I'm lacking. 3-2. Matay ka nga eh.
Pinatay ako ni Gagdagdao.
You better when you better do what you can. Don't wanna see no girl, don't be much.
But I hate you guys. Uy, si ano, green bean dude. I'm not gonna kill you. I almost killed you, but I'm not gonna kill you.
Bro,
Gida, oh. Paano? Namatay.
ano ba naman?
Boom. Another trick shot. Boom. I'm locked in.
Stay back. Stay back kasi pinatay mo ako.
Let's go!
We're now even.
Thank you for giving me Rocky.
Patay si ano?
Sino namatay?
This one patay.
Sino namatay, Tita Shake?
May napatay ako.
Ganda. Play.
May na-headshot ako. Bakit ito? Ay,
Somebody can beat her. Bro, gada. Oh. Patay. No, not killing you. Bro, gada. Daga.
this is like rival. Ano lang kalaban.
Ay, sorry.
Matay din kita eh.
Ha, patay tayong dalawa.
Bro, this is so lame.
Boom, patay. Ang sakto. So, a little.
Bro, why you kill me?
I'm trying to kill the gada. Oh.
Ay, lakin. 3 na kill ko sa isang round.
Bro, headshot gada. Oh. Headshot mo si gada. Oh. Headshot mo si gada. Oh.
Pinapatay nga ako nun eh. Finish siya eh. Siguro, gida.
Bro!
Gada.
Aray. Gada. Oh, Maria. Lang ka mag Boom, patay. Patayin kami ng dalawa eh.
Bro! I'm crashing out. I declare war.
Bye.
I declare war for everybody.
Brother. Aray. Pinatay ako ng e-boy.
Hadi kill me! Killed it.
I'm gonna kill it so hard. Uy, sige na!
Paano na ako mapapatay na kakainis to ah?
Una mamatay dahil kay daga. Oh.
Daga. Oh, pinatay na naman ako. Tangina.
Boom. Headshot.
Di siya. Ay mo kumalin? Jump up? Wait lang.
Huwag mo ko i-shot. Hindi ka kita sinashot.
Bro, I'm so sorry. I'm trying to target. Gada.
It's okay. Just try it another time.
Ayun si gada. O kasi malapit sa akin.
Uy.
Ay, harap ka na naman ako dito. Gadag.
Ako rin.
Abang na. I declare war. Gadag.
Gida. Oh, I'm not you. Bro, did you buy hello?
I'm trick shotting. Girl. Bro, I thought you're this guy. Ang similar niyo, bro.
Bro, cause I'm a green big. Alright, we're buying another gun.
Nabili ka pala ng gun.
Yes, sir. I'm saving for another one. Bro, I'm gonna knock out this. Gida. Oh.
Si gada. Uy, hindi ka uwi. Pati itong good boy, yung yung parang dirito din yung naka. O, di ba? Parang yan. Napapatay na sa mid-air.
Boom.
Mag-nice.
10 seconds left.
Bro! Magaling si gada.
He's a toe.
At least ako 31 kills ako. Panzone. Play.
Round started. Let's go. Let me play.
Let me play, bro.
Ha! Bro, he has a giga chip.
Bro, meron na kami, bro!
Bro, he's a giga cat.
Bro, bakit bro him?
Alam ko hindi siya nararo ng Roblox.
Bro, ibang server? Yan, palit ang server.
At pag napatay ko na si Hello, yung leader.
Fine.
Ibang server.
Wait lang, hanap ako ng server.
Why? Please, I just wanna one top. I'm just a Roblox kids.
Yan yung favorite kong laro.
Mas favorite ko konti yung Grow a Garden. Kasi mas favorite ko pa to.
Wait lang, hanap ako ng server na ascending.
Bro, why is it ascending?
Oy, dito tayo sa dito.
Here is Kring's account.
Mag-join ka na.
Ah, mama! Please, it. Boo, dito, baile. Ew.
Pasita.
Please stop.
Pasita. Pasita. Siya, nandito ka na din. Dito ka. Pata. I killed someone.
Bro, he killed someone.
Hala! Ay, dalawa lang. Let's 1v1. Ay, may iba palang tao.
Ganto.
Okay, I'll knife. Easy ko na. Si Astray, sa patay ko. Okay, 2 players.
Oh,
Bro, get out of the way.
bro, I was sniping people.
Bro, 2 players. I killed 2 players.
Bro, I'm using with the knife right now.
I'm using my stick.
Get over here. Get me out. Bro, help me with the knife.
I'm too OP with this.
Ow, my god. I'm a dead body. Boom. I killed someone. Bro, I already have a 10 minutes. So goodbye guys. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. I don't care if you didn't do it. I'm just Bye.